This video will help you set up your EZVIZ ezGuard camera using the EZVIZ app. Here's what's in the box. First, plug in your ezGuard into a power outlet. Download the EZVIZ app on your smartphone. Connect your phone to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Then, open the EZVIZ app. Choose New User Registration on the bottom of your screen. Register using your email address. Enter your email and create a password. Then you'll receive a verification code. Enter the verification code into the app. Now, let's add the cameras. On the main menu, press the plus sign on the center of the screen. Choose Scan QR code. Then, scan the QR code located on the mounting bracket of the device. Press the Add button to connect your camera. Lastly, select your time zone and date. Then choose View Camera. Now you can enjoy your ezGuard camera. Thank you for being a part of the EZVIZ family.